back to Turkey.
So, Western countries do not permit to have more than one wife. What will be the situation of the family if they have two wives in these countries?
I think your question is based on misunderstanding. In the Western countries, you can keep any number of wives as you like. Only they call them mistresses. The terminology is different. You're not confined to just 4. You can keep 100 wives in the real sense of the word. So this question is not founded on reality. But if, according to a Muslim, he has married according to the law of Sharia some person, there is no problem whatsoever, because he can keep her as a mistress according to the law, but according to the sight of God it would be the wife, right? As far as the laws of inheritance of the British legislation are concerned, that can be no problem either, because during his lifetime he can give the due rights of the other wife, who is not recognized by the law, in a manner that he can still control the gift legally, but it can be hers after his death. So that problem can also be, sidetracked.